Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and set up on my new 7-in-1 jump starter with air pump. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Very cool. These are always handy to have in case of an emergency or anything like that. You just kind of want to have one of these in your car for sure. Alright, so it does come in this very nice carrying case. Very sturdy. Let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, that's a big boy right here. Look at that. Bam. It's got a handle for it. Like I said, it is 7-in-1, and we'll go through each one of those features and maybe we'll try one or two. So obviously these are the cables to jumpstart your vehicle if you need that. This is if you want to inflate car tires or anything like that. This is going to come in super handy. This is the first one that I've had that will actually be used to inflate like a raft, like a small boat. This is definitely a bonus. So if you're camping or anything like that, this is going to come in super handy. Maybe like one of those air beds that still requires one of these. This is going to be super helpful. You obviously get your user manual right there. Type-C cable to charge it up. These are the different tips for the pump. And then these are different tips right here for inflation part that I just showed you. So very, very cool. Let's go ahead and power it on, just see how it looks, how it works. Look at that display. That's a very nice LCD display. Tells you exactly. We'll go ahead and go through some of the features. So it has mode right here, and it's got a car, motorcycle, scoot up a little closer, bicycle, ball. That should be all of them. So very cool. It's got a flashlight right there. So let's go ahead and power that one on, just see how it looks. It's got the button right here. Okay, very cool. 2, 3 different modes for it. Very, very nice. That is cool. Definitely nice to have, especially if you're stranded somewhere in the dark. You can use this to kind of look inside your hood, or if you just needed to, wherever you're walking around, this can serve for you as a light as well. So if you wanted to jumpstart your vehicle, so we'll go ahead and show you right here. We'll go ahead and plug it into here. You'll just plug it in. And as you can see, those lights are starting to flash, letting you know that it is good to go. And if you wanted to use the pump, it's got it right here. And we'll just go ahead and put it on there now. Go ahead and fire this up. All right. And then we'll actually try it here in a second. So once you hook it up to the tire, all you have to do is hit the power button and then it'll turn on. And then you'll see that the display shows the PSI, letting you know that it is inflating the tire. One that I was more curious about was the blower function. So let's go ahead and turn that part on. And as you can see right here is that function. I already put it in here. All you have to do is put it through this part and then lock it in place, and then it's good to go. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Okay. So you can see very, very easy to use. And the other thing that I wanted to point out is right here. It's got Type-C, USB, and then to charge it as well. So what's cool is if you want to plug in like your phone, like an iPad, anything like that. With this. We'll try my iPad. And there it is. If you heard it, it is charging. So that's very cool. And like I said, it has another Type-C for fast charging. Could plug in my phone to that. You can see it comes in super handy. So like if your phone died, your tablet, your watch, whatever it is that you need charged, you could just use this right here. So again, very, very cool. So there you have it. If you guys are looking for a new 7-in-1 multifunctional jump starter, it's probably one of the ones that has like the most features, with the light, with that deflator and inflator, the jump starter, the light, charge your 2 phones or 2 devices. So if you're looking for a new portable jump starter, definitely look into this one. This one's definitely heavy duty. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.